Hi, today I'm reviewing the Peach and Lily Bio Rice Wine Softening Toner. And I'm Sarah, and this is No BS Beauty. So, today I thought I'd talk about the Peach and Lily Rice Wine Toner, which I've got here. And, okay, so they say Peach and Lily's milky Bio Rice Wine Softening Toner rapidly and visibly nourishes for soft, supple skin. Proprietary nutrient dense Bio Rice with rice wine complex, botanical ferments, and Korean herbal extracts hydrate, brighten, and support the skin barrier, reveal balanced and luminous skin. So, okay, first criteria is packaging. We've got a clear glass bottle with a little dispenser, nice packaging, although I'd prefer it to be tinted if possible, but I get it. No issues with that. There's no denatured drying types of alcohol. It has no, it has like a light herbal scent to it, not very strong. I can tolerate it. It does contain cinnamon bark, which is technically a fragrance or a masking ingredient. So if you're very sensitive to certain ingredients, be cautious of that. That does give it a little bit of a scent, almost an herbal scent. But yeah, it doesn't smell like cinnamon though. Herbal, not cinnamon, but it's got cinnamon. The manufacturing location for this one is Korea. Let me double check. Korea, so no issues with that. So I'll do a quick pH test. You want to give this one a good shake, and I kind of shook it up before I started the review. I'm sorry. But when it's all settled, you'll see all the ferment things at the bottom. So there we go. How do I shake it down there? There we go. Okay, so I'll do a quick pH test. I think they mentioned the pH on here, but let's see. Okay, so pH of this one looks to be, I would say almost 5 exactly, so no issues with that. And texture of it, it's got a liquidy texture to it. You can apply it with a cotton pad. You can pat it on the skin. This one's a little bit more expensive, so I think if you're going to use a cotton pad, I would probably recommend doing something cheaper with the cotton pad because it's going to soak most of it up. But if you just want to pat it on the skin after cleansing and toning, that seems to be the best way to get the most benefits from it. It certainly kind of feels a little bit greasy when you apply it, but once it soaks in, it feels nice. It is slightly tacky, but you apply a serum over it, so it's probably not going to be as much of an issue. But it does have kind of a shiny finish. So, and then so what I do is in my morning routine, I pat it on the skin. In my evening routine, I use a cotton pad. I feel the cotton pad helps remove the residue, any makeup I missed, anything the cleanser didn't get. And in my morning routine, I just pat it on. So it seems to work well that way. Okay, in terms of beneficial ingredients in here, so we've got rice ferment, which is an antioxidant, brightening, and soothing ingredient. We've got Aspergillus rice ferment, which is an antioxidant, anti-aging, moisturizing, repairing, and brightening ingredient. In vitro testing has shown. We've got Saccharomyces rice ferment, which is an antioxidant. We've got rice bran extract, antioxidant, brightening, hydrating ingredient. We've got Saccharomyces barley ferment, which is a humectant. We've got the Patera ingredient, which is an antioxidant, brightening, barrier protecting, and very rich in minerals and vitamins. It's that sake one. We've got hydroxyethyl urea, which is a strong moisturizer and humectant. We've got skullcap root extract, another anti-inflammatory and brightening ingredient. We've got Lactobacillus ferment, anti-aging, soothing ingredient. We've got Bifida ferment, skin protecting, antioxidant, and bear repairing ingredient. Let's see, what else? Japanese cypress extract, which is an anti-inflammatory and acne fighting ingredient. White willow bark extract, skin soothing, and might help prevent, collagen degradation, and may also help reduce breakouts. Purslane extract, soothing and antioxidant. Got another ingredient, oregano extract, which I don't see very often, but it apparently has antimicrobial benefits. And then finally, dandelion extract, which is skin conditioning, question mark. Wasn't totally convinced on dandelion, but who knows? Okay, in terms of animal testing, this is vegan, gluten-free, and cruelty-free, so no issues with that. In terms of the performance, so for what this product promises to visibly strengthen skin, support the skin barrier with fermented extracts, deeply hydrate, condition, and nourish for baby soft, supple skin, and rapidly and invisibly brightens skin and clarifies for a clear, radiant looking complexion. I would say this will help with a lot of those promises, with the exception of rapidly and visibly. Those are definitely over the top promises. Most things will not rapidly or visibly help your skin. It'll take commitment and patience. So don't get too excited, but it does leave your skin feeling baby soft. I mean, my skin feels nice and soft and supple where I applied it, which is nice. Um, doesn't do anything quickly, but it certainly will help brighten your skin up a bit as long as you're not suffering from like super stubborn hyperpigmentation or melasma. If you've just got some dark spots, it'll help brighten those. But if you're very stubborn hyperpigmentation, this alone probably will not be enough. So, does leave skin feeling nice and soft and very friendly for most skin types. It's friendly for dry, oily, and acne prone, as well as most sensitive skin, unless you're sensitive to cinnamon or oregano. Um, okay, in terms of the price, so it's a bit pricey. So this is a full size, 96 milliliters, 3.38 ounces, and retails for 39 bucks. So it's kind of expensive, especially if you use a cotton pad. It goes fast. Um, and then in terms of the it factor, it's a really nice toner. Not a must have. I'll definitely finish this one, but I probably wouldn't repurchase it. But I've got half the bottle left, so maybe I'll change my mind. But after using it for 6 or 7 weeks now, it's not a must have, but it's very nice and it's going to be good for most skin types, which is also great. There's not a lot of similar products or dupes. I would say the closest product, if you like ferments, will be the number 3 glowing toner, which has a ton of different ferments. Um, and that one also has an herbal scent to it, so keep that one in mind. So, okay. With a 10 being a perfect score, I gave this one a 7 out of 10, which is average, but very nice. Worth checking out. So, anyway, curious if you guys have had a chance to check this one out yet or not. And if you have what your thoughts are, leave a comment. Love hearing from you guys and stay tuned for more tomorrow. Thanks so much. Bye, guys.